gems, welcome back. So I want y'all to know it is midnight. Well, it's 12:06 my time. Y'all see it, y'all can't see it, hold on. It's 12:06 my time, and I was challenged by my girl Lurssens Life on here to do midnight mask, is what we calling it. You have 6 minutes to put on foundation, eyebrows, at least one eyeshadow, mascara, and a lip in 6 minutes. So I'm giving it a go, y'all, because I don't back down from no challenge. I'm gonna start the timer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm gonna have the timer in the corner of the video. Yo, this is rough. 6 minutes to basically do a whole face. I feel like I'm Speedy Gonzales. Alright, foundation on, eyebrows. Let's get it. Y'all, I'm at 4:53. And I'm not gonna edit it, so y'all don't think I'm cheating. 4:54. 4:42, I mean. These brows is not about to be perfect, honey. At all. Ooh, I can tell right now. Y'all, do y'all see this brow? Horrible. And I'm already at 4 minutes and 5 seconds. All right. Ooh, 3:53. No, 50. Yeah, 3. $3.40, y'all. Okay, moving on to eyeshadow. At least one, y'all. Gotta blend it out. Can't be. I know I got 6 minutes, but at least make it look decent. Y'all, I keep looking down at my phone. That's what my timer is. Oh, 3 minutes, 2:59. Jesus. I ain't got time. All right, mascara. Maybe I should have left the bottom lash alone, because look at that. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. All right, 2 minutes, y'all. $156. contour a little bit. Oh, I'm showing out. $124, y'all. $110. I ain't look up at y'all not one time because I can't. I really can't. Ooh. I think I can highlight real quick. 1 minute. $45 seconds. $40. Ooh. 30 seconds. $25. Yo, I think I mudded this. Eight, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. Yo, 6 minutes. 6 minutes, y'all. And I did this. Tell me what y'all think. I know these eyebrows botched, but 6 minutes. So guess what? I'm challenging RL Beauty. I'm challenging Teresa Plus 5 TV. And that's it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.